All right, check this out, guys. The all-new M4. And this one is the competition version. It has more horsepower. Look at these redesigned kidney grills. They're massive now. And you've got this beautiful blue feature here in the headlights. Now this one is fully loaded and I'm gonna be the first in the world to drive it. Just had to fill her up. $13,000 ceramic brakes. You've got $7,000 worth of carbon fiber on the exterior, beautiful carbon fiber roof, and carbon fiber rear diffuser here. Look, you've got these quad exhaust pipes. Love this, and they're 10 centimeters wide. Look at this. This will blow your mind. Look at these bucket seats with the M4 badge illuminating there. And these are a $7,000 extra option. Plus a few more thousand for the carbon fiber here in the interior. Start stop button. Change her over here to Sports Plus. That opens up the exhaust. Ready? All right, let's go for a drive. Starting line. I'm going to floor her right down here. First, let me show you something. Come in. Come in. Look at this carbon fiber here on the seat. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let me show you. If you press traction control off, you've got a drift analyzer. Look at this. 3.5 stars for the last drift. 4 seconds long, 42 meters at an angle of 20.4. I love that. This is a rear wheel drive. Yeah, traction control was definitely off. That is a fun drive. Oh, do I want one? Yes, maybe. So this car has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight 6 engine with 510 horsepower for the competition version. And 0 to 100 in just under 4 seconds.